Hello, I'm CGN. This is a quick video to show how to add text background in Canva. After starting Canva, we can choose a canvas for creating a design. I will use presentation. Next, we can go to left toolbar. We can find text, and then we can add text box. Click, and then we can start to type. For example, I type text background. And then I want to enlarge it. I click and drag the circle handle and press Alt to enlarge it, something like this. Next, we can go to Effects, and then we can go to Background. Click to add the background. So the yellow background is added to text. If you want to customize it, we can make it sharp corner and the circle round in both sides. I keep it in 50. And also we can change the size. We can make it transparent, and also we can change the color, something like this. So this is how we can add text background in Canva. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm CJ Yan. See you in the next video.